Welcome to our 10-minute chakra breathing meditation. This practice will help you align and balance your chakras, the energy centers of your body, using breath and visualization. Find a comfortable, quiet place to sit or lie down, ensuring your spine is straight. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, letting it out slowly. Let's begin. Begin by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Feel the connection between your body and the ground. Visualize roots extending from the base of your spine into the earth, grounding you. Visualize a vibrant red light at the base of your spine. Inhale deeply, drawing in energy to this area. Exhale slowly, imagining the red light growing brighter and more stable. Repeat the affirmation silently. I am grounded and secure. Shift your focus to the area just below your navel. Visualize a warm orange light. Inhale deeply, bringing energy into this space. Exhale slowly, allowing the orange light to expand. Repeat the affirmation silently. I am creative and passionate. Move your attention to the upper abdomen. Visualize a bright yellow light. Inhale deeply, filling this area with energy. Exhale slowly, letting the yellow light grow brighter. Repeat the affirmation silently. I am confident and strong. Focus on the center of your chest. Visualize a vibrant green light. Inhale deeply, drawing energy into your heart center. Exhale slowly, expanding the green light throughout your chest. Repeat the affirmations silently. I am loving and compassionate. Bring your attention to your throat. Visualize a clear blue light. Inhale deeply, filling your throat with energy. Exhale slowly, letting the blue light grow brighter. Repeat the affirmation silently. I am expressive and honest. Focus on the area between your eyebrows. Visualize a deep indigo light. Inhale deeply, drawing energy to your third eye. Exhale slowly, expanding the indigo light. Repeat the affirmation silently. I am intuitive and wise. Shift your focus to the top of your head. Visualize a radiant violet or white light. Inhale deeply, filling your crown chakra with energy. Exhale slowly, letting the light expand above your head. Repeat the affirmation silently. I am connected to the divine. Visualize all the chakras growing brightly in their respective colors. Inhale deeply, imagining a stream of white light entering from the crown of your head, moving down through each chakra. Exhale slowly, letting the energy flow smoothly and harmoniously through your entire body. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the energy balance within you. Visualize the roots extending from your spine into the earth again, grounding you. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of balance and harmony with you throughout your day. Namaste.